In today's digital era, people often turn to the internet to find reliable tradesmen for their specific needs. This video explores the most common website keywords associated with various tradesmen, including plumbers, carpenters, roofers, builders, electricians and decorators. Additionally, we will identify which trades are searched for the most and discuss the reasons behind their popularity. Plumbers. Commonly searched keywords: plumber near me, emergency plumber, leaking pipes, blocked drains and toilet repair. Reasons for popularity: plumbers are frequently sought after due to their essential role in addressing common household issues such as leaks, pipe blockages and toilet repairs. The immediacy of plumbing problems often leads people to search for emergency services or nearby professionals to provide quick solutions. Carpenters. Commonly searched keywords include carpenter services, custom furniture, woodwork, cabinet installation, carpentry contractor. Reasons for popularity: carpenters are in demand for various projects including furniture construction, cabinet installation and general woodwork. The need for custom-made items or specific carpentry skills often drives individuals to search for carpenters to bring their visions to life. Roofers. Roofers. Commonly searched keywords: roof repair, roofing contractors, roof replacement and leaking roof. Reasons for popularity: roofing issues can cause significant damage to homes, leading to a high demand for roofers. Common problems like leaks and roof replacement prompt individuals to search for professional roofers who can assess, repair or replace damaged roofs effectively. Builders. Commonly searched keywords: building contractors, home construction, renovation services, general contractors, house extensions. Reasons for popularity: builders play a crucial role in constructing or renovating homes and properties. With the desire for new construction or home improvement projects, individuals search for experienced builders who can handle tasks ranging from house extensions to full-scale construction projects. Electricians. Commonly searched keywords: electrical services, electrician near me, wiring installation, fuse box repair, electrical troubleshooting. And the reasons for popularity: electricians are essential for addressing electrical problems and ensuring the safety of homes and buildings and businesses. The potential hazards associated with electrical issues prompt people to search for reliable electricians who can install, repair or troubleshoot wiring systems and fuse boxes. Decorators. Commonly searched keywords: interior decorators, home staging, wall painting, colour consultation, home styling. Reasons for popularity: decorators are sought after their expertise in enhancing the aesthetic appeal of homes and commercial spaces. Whether it's for interior design, painting or colour consultation, individuals search for decorators to create visually pleasing and harmonious environments. So for tradesmen, having your own website allows you to establish an online presence, showcase your skills and provide essential information about your services. It serves as a platform to attract potential customers, build credibility and differentiate yourself from competitors. A website also enables easier communication, appointment scheduling and can serve as a portfolio for your past projects. Book now and find out more.